late start, getting late starts. Hey, what's up? I'm Sean Ritter. Welcome back. Return to Wild. Don't forget to click and subscribe if you love things in the outdoors involving cooking, getting back into the outdoors, giving back. That is what we are all about, and doing something a little bit different today, other than the weird singing thing. I apologize for that.
Here's your shot.
Holy fish, bud.
I'm Sean Ritter. I love the outdoors, hunting, fishing. I work a hectic, not traditional job, and I love being a dad. This is my outdoor journey and how I manage my time. I'm here to help you rethink your time and join me, Return to Wild. All right, so hitting the road, doing something a little bit different today that we haven't done all season. I'm getting a late start to things. That's because there's a snowstorm coming. This is something that I've done in the past and haven't done in a long time, so I thought, what the heck, let's give it a whirl and see what happens. So loaded up the truck last night and decided to sleep in and hang out with the family a bit this morning and then get on the way. Snow's supposed to start sometime between noon and 1 o'clock. The lake that I head to is actually one that was hit pretty hard. I'm imagining yesterday there was a little derby jamboree thing that happened there, so I definitely wanted to avoid it yesterday. But I figured it's worth a shot to go check out today and see if maybe it was so pressured yesterday, things kind of shut down. Weather's been a little funky lately, and this is actually going to be one of the first warm days that we've had in a while, which might have something to do with the fact we're going to see some snow this afternoon. So I've had some success in the past fishing into a snowstorm. So get out, get set up, and as the snow starts in about hour to 2 hours in, they turn on. I've had it happen a bunch of times, so I thought, again, like I said, what the heck? Let's give it a whirl. So that's what we're going to do. It's pretty early right now, about 8:30 in the morning, so we're going to hope to be there, be set up by like 10, give us about 2 hours or so before we think about seeing snow. But we're going to fish into the afternoon and see what happens. I haven't fished this lake beyond 2 in the afternoon in about 4 years. We'll get at it. Nothing I hate worse than walking onto a lake and finding this. Hell, pick up your stuff, man. Come on. And obviously, you had kids, I'm assuming, with your Gojo squeeze. What an example. Solid work, y'all. Solid work. All right, so we got set up on kind of a deeper area than I typically fish. Nothing earlier this morning, as you know, things were sunny. Now it's starting to get cloudy. It's just afternoon right now, so we're gonna see what's happening. We're at about 16 feet of water. You can see on the little Markham Showdown troller. I've had this thing for years and years and years. Again, that goes off my line of you use what you got. You don't necessarily have to have the top of the line newest all the time in order to make things work. So that's what I got. That's what we're gonna use, and hopefully we can get into some walleyes pretty soon here. So stay tuned. We'll keep fishing. We got 2 tippos out too, by the way. So. Gotta watch that the line got underneath there, and so the fish wasn't able to run with it, and so I think it hit it, felt something, just immediately drop. Yeah, so the line was down and looped under there. Gotta make sure the line stays up. I think it got that way with the wind. I'm gonna tighten it before we reopen. There, that ought to do it now. Let's keep that right away. All right, let's hope for something out. Let's pause there for 1 second. I know somebody may be asking, why in the heck do you have your tip up right outside of your shack? Well, I wanted the benefit of having a dead stick, but didn't want it in the shack where I'd have to constantly watch it, whereas if it's just like the tip up outside, I would hear it and then I can go get it. And quite frankly, I had camera stuff and wanted the most forest place that I could have inside my shack. So, the other option is put it next to me so I could take the benefit of having a dead stick, but without actually having another hole inside the shack to have more floor space. Simple and easy. That's literally all there was to it. All right, let's get back to fishing. All right. Well, one thing's for certain. I feel like I got to switch things up. I got to go. I mean, I've got my coffee. And to me, nothing goes better with coffee than homemade jerky. Stuff is awesome. In fact, I've got the recipe up, and it's another one of the vlog videos you can check out of how I make this jerky, which my wife absolutely loves. Venison, elk, whatever you got, this stuff is awesome, super easy to make. In fact, I did this batch in an Instant Pot, or well, sort of. It's the Ninja Foodie thing that you do everything with it, but apparently it works as a dehydrator. So I bought the racks that go with it, and I did it, and it is phenomenal. One of my favorite snacks: coffee and beef jerky, or venison jerky, or maybe I just get fish. That would taste better. Mark, come on, come on. Come on. Gone. Telling you, it's a jerky. So I don't run out of jerky today. It's one of those days. But it hasn't started snowing yet. It's got real cloudy. The wind is picking up. My luck's gonna change. My luck's about to change. One down there right now. A walleye right on the bottom. Come on. I'm trying to get him. You know, I got the flasher. I can see, but I'm just close enough. I can kind of see down the hole. Oh, and he's just... Well, that is a really, really good sign. All right, back at the truck. Wind picked up, got cold, but never any snow. Didn't want to wait any longer because my amazing wife is at home cooking up an awesome feast. So after a long day on the ice, not doing so hot, I got an awesome hot meal waiting for me. So that's gonna do it for me. We are on the road. Buckle up for safety, y'all. Until next time, it'd be nice to catch some damn fish, right? I'm with you. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe. Some cooking, some outdoor adventures. We're going to get into some more fun coming up here soon. We got ice fishing. We're going to get into turkey hunting, which we're going to go after some turkeys with a bow coming up this spring. So Lots of cool stuff to get to. Oh yeah, and there's going to be some salmon steelhead fishing too. Yep. So y'all stay tuned. Click subscribe. Give me a like, by the way, if you have ever been skunked ice fishing. Damn, it sucks. Anyway, y'all take care. Stay safe. We'll talk to you soon.
Oh, there he is.
What's up?
He's burying himself in the weeds. Hooked up again. Fatty too. Look at that. Boom!